Hello everybody, welcome to Nkanelo Gingirikani with me, Mandla Gingirikani, welcoming you. This is episode 103. So if you want to check where we started, please go there to Mandla Gingirikani channel. I'm going to put a card here so you can see what we've been doing if you are new. And if you are a returnee, welcome back, and please do make sure you subscribe. Click that subscribe button, baby. Click that subscribe button. It's for free. You're not going to be charged anything. I know people are very scared, like, oh, am I going to be charged? No, it's free. So don't be stingy with those subscriptions, guys. Please do subscribe. And then, so I'd like to look at Nasty C today. Let's look at Nasty C. The reason is because the guy is really dominating 2019. The guy is really slaying 2019. Just weeks after being nominated for the BET Hip Hop Award, the man is also scooped another award. It's called the MTV European Music Award. And he's not the only one. A South African is also nominated there. His fellow South African house DJ Prince KayBee, he's also nominated there in that category of Best Africa Act. So please go there and vote for them. But then they're not the only ones. I think there's Tenny. Tenny is also known as Tenyola Apata. Tenyola Apata. She's a Nigerian musician, songwriter, entertainer, She's quite famous in Nigeria with over 2 million followers on Instagram. So go and check her out, And other people that are also nominated include Tufan, Harmonize, and Burna Boy. We know Burna Boy, right? Yeah, we know Burna Boy because of AKA. I think he featured Burna Boy on that Baddest single. Yeah, with Yanga. I think back in 2017. I stand to be corrected, guys. If I'm not accurate, please do correct me down below by just commenting. Say what you think is right and what you think about the show as well. You are welcome. No one is gonna be, censored and everything. But yeah. So we know Burna Boy from that single, but then also we also know Burna Boy because his album, the latest album, is called African Giant, is dominating the world. He's touring the world, the UK, the United States of America, being concerts out there, so he's doing good stuff. So I actually personally feel like he stands a chance to win this award. Burna Boy. I feel like Burna Boy is the only one who's gonna win it. I feel like Burna Boy stands a very good chance to win the award. He's done very well. As much as I like Nasty C, guys, but I think Burna Boy for this one, Best African Act, it has to go to Burna Boy. I have to wait because the award ceremony is going to be held in Sevilla, in Spain, on the 3rd of November. So we still have a chance to vote. You go there and vote at mtvema.com and then leave your vote before they close on the 2nd of November. So make sure you vote for them. And back to Nasty C, because I think he's doing good stuff. He's also nominated for another award. That one I spoke about, the BET Hip Hop Award in the Best Flow category. I think in this category, they're trying to honor artists from all over the world who have best lyrics and best delivery or best flow, So personally, I think this is the only award that I think Nasty C can scoop or can bring home. Because when I look at the other people that are nominated in the same categories, alongside Sarkodie, False Story Learners, Gets, Little Sims, and French rapper, he's called Kalash. So I think this is the only award that I feel like Nasty C can bring. As I'm recording this video, the show is going to be held tomorrow on Saturday on the 5th of October. So I think that Nasty C has a chance to bring back this one. So yeah, Nasty C, Kefiwe. From me, Mandla Gingirikani, I'm testing Totora. Salute. Please do subscribe, man. Subscribe, guys. Don't be stingy there, Nkanelo. Hey, dinadora.